Hi luthiers, this is a quick little mini lesson about how to shape the headstock. As we talked about, we have a little extra space at the top so the students can put their own mark on it. It's definitely unusual to have all this extra space at the top of a headstock. As we said, you don't have to keep it if you don't want it. You can have a more traditional looking headstock like this, or you can make your own design. The only thing you really need to be aware of when you're trimming is not to encroach where the screw holes for the tuning pegs need to go, because they have to get screwed into wood so they don't move around. This is the one we're working on now. We have all this extra space at the top. I'm not going to give you any specific designs here to put on this. I want you to figure out what to do yourself. But I will show you what's been done in the past and what tools you might use to get the effects you want. So this one has these little indents in the side. That was just made by using a half round file and cutting in on the sides. The top, these two little rounds there, are from this round file going up and down here and here. And then the little notch was cut out with a triangular file right there. This one is very simple. Just use the coping saw. This is a coping saw. Use the coping saw to trim the top and put a drill hole. This is really convenient because you can hang it up very easily. For this one, it's just rounded at the top, but after I drew it, I used a chisel and chiseled out the wood to get an elevated M. This one was created using the coping saw to cut out the cat shape, and then wood burned the cat and colored with Sharpies. Take a look at this picture to get some other ideas of what the students did. You can do whatever you want as long as you leave wood for the tuning pegs to get screwed into. The elongated headstock is just another place for you to put your stamp of creativity on your instrument. It should be personalized, and it should be a thing that you've made and a thing that you love. Good luck.